Hey, welcome back to video 2 in this series, which is get ready with me. So in the first video, I literally just showed you what I use like right now for my makeup, and it's cheap makeup. It's drugstore makeup. It's the same makeup routine that I started when we went minimal and we were like traveling and doing all that for 2 years. Because all of the makeup stuff that I own starting 2 years ago could fit in this bag because it had to come with me. And so, yeah, I showed you what I did. And now in this video, I want to show you the 5-minute hair hack that I found last week. Okay. And this has been changing the game because normally if I do my hair, normally this would take me 30 minutes to sit there and curl and da-da-da. So here's what I've been doing, and it has been awesome. And I'm going to tell you too. So this is what I do to prep my hair before I curl it. I did my workout this morning. So I did my workout, I did my makeup, and while I'm doing my makeup and prior to filming the video and the other one, if you saw, I put a little bit of heat protectant spray in there. Okay. So I'm going to put this heat protectant spray in again. Okay, just to kind of make sure that I'm not going to be torching my ends. So use whatever brand you have. This is just literally a drugstore one because I needed it. And I think the only store we have around here, because I live out in the middle of nowhere. Want to see my view right now? It's really pretty. It's super pretty. So there it is. They just put the dock in the other day, so that's cool. So I was watching, as I'm filming here, I'm like watching the little loons fly in and the ducks, and we've got a beaver, and so that's pretty cool. Anyways, where we live, there's not a lot of options. So I'm just telling you. Look at that. Look how much my hair has grown. This is all thanks to my miracle juice, that vitamin stuff I started taking that my friend recommended. It's amazing. This is not even extensions, so really happy about that. Okay. All right. So I did that. Now, the next thing that I do, this is just personal preference, is I kind of hold my hair out and I give it a couple hairspray squirts before I even curl it. And I swear, because I have a lot of hair and my hair is like pin straight and does not like to be curled. It does not like to be curled at all. So I feel like when I do this, and now normally I will have done this before I even do my makeup, and I just wanted to show you again. So that way by the time I get to curling my hair, it's already dry. The curling iron's been plugged in and heating up while I'm doing my makeup, which normally takes 10 to 15 minutes. And so that my hair, as soon as I finish my face, is ready to be curled. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this 5-minute hair hack tutorial is long hair. I should have started with that. So sorry. If you have short hair, this probably ain't gonna work. Oh, my white strips are coming off. Okay, so you need long hair. You need a hair tie. A scrunchie would probably work better, but oh my gosh. But I'm just using a hair tie and it works just fine, okay? And then a curling iron. I just have this curling iron in my favorite color. Use whatever curling iron you have. So then what you're going to do is pull your hair back. Oh, did you hear that? Oh my God. That's my bones breaking. Okay, cool. Sweet. Awesome sauce. I think I just broke my sternum. Do you want to know when that started? I'll tell you. So I don't know if that camera picked up the noise, but it's like a popping in my chest whenever I put my hair back like this. I went to a chiropractor once, this one chiropractor, and he had this machine thing that looks like a freaking jackhammer. He did that on my chest, and ever since he freaking did that, my chest has made that popping noise. So needless to say, I never went back. And now the chiropractors I do go to are not the kind that cracks and snaps. They're like more like acupressure style chiropractors, and I only go to this one because I'm very picky. Okay, so now that took way longer than normal. I have my hair up, and as you can see, I'm kind of like pulling it through almost, okay? So I kind of like pull all the hair through. So it's in this really weird, like mopey-dopey looking thing. Now I am exclusively using my phone to curl my hair. This could be very challenging. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these little sections. Wow, this is super challenging, you guys. And I'm gonna curl. And I have thick hair that doesn't like to curl. And also I'm talking. And so let's see how this works. Now I'm gonna hold it right down to the base. Oh boy. Hold it down to the base. Let's see. And give it a little spritz. I can't see what I'm spraying right now. I feel like ridiculous. All right. Let's see how this works. Okay, so there's one. All right. I feel like I have pretty thick hair. So this might be too thick of a strand. But I'm trying to go fast, and this is really difficult. And this teeny, teeny little phone. All right. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down. You're welcome. Musical snacks are free. Okay, it's going to take a little bit to heat up because my hair's in there. So tell me, how are you doing? How are you feeling? How is your mental health right now? If you're watching this video, we are, I don't know, week number 7 or 8 or something crazy, and stay safer at home. So that's where you're seeing this. So if you're like, she is gone loopy, a little bit. So I've been testing out I don't know, I haven't been on social media that much. I don't want to be there. I don't even know. It's like really hard to explain. I'm in this really weird spot of, I just kind of want to like be with my family. I've been reading a lot. I've been doing my own thing. Really enjoying time with my kids, which I don't think that I can honestly say, like, I don't think I've ever been in a time or space where I could just truly enjoy being a mom and being with my kids. Because obviously, as you guys know, when I first had Christopher, I was 19. And so there was always like this, oh my gosh, I have to hustle and I have to work just to be able to survive and provide for my family, like myself and my kids. And so I've never been in like a relaxed period where all I have to do is just be. And I've kind of been enjoying it. It's been a little weird because it's just been a little bit of a different shift. So as you can see, these are pretty bouncy, and my hair is taking the curl pretty well, considering I don't know what's going on. I don't know if this is not, it just feels like not hot enough almost. Okay. All right. I'm going to split these two because then I hope that it will be a little bit better. Okay. So as you can see, this, even with me blabbing and talking here, this is still pretty dang fast. And if I wanted to go faster, I totally could. So can't wait to show you how this looks when it's out too, because it's really cool. And it's going to save, I think it's going to save a lot of you a super lot of time. Okay. All right, now I'm on to my last strand here. I'm gonna go like this. Try not to burn my little fingers. Ooh, my tiny little fingers. And I don't know why, I don't know what accent that is, but it always comes out when I'm doing these. Oh my gosh. This is too fun. So I'd love to know what you guys have been up to, how you've been adapting, what you've been doing more of, if you've been enjoying it. Like, what are you thinking? Are you doing okay? Are you not doing okay? Do you need anything? Like, let's see. Okay. I just think it's really important to be honest. Like, I've struggled. Like, there have been days where it just feels so weird because it feels so different. And like mentally, I can tell, like mental health wise, I'm like, okay, this is weird. This is an adjustment. I've got to be honest about it. And really just like being understanding about the place that I'm in mentally, because it's not the same. It's different. It's a little scary. It's weird. It's all the things. And we've got to be able to be okay with like admitting that. So now here it is. So now what I'll do is I will usually go in, and as you can see, so this is a flat spot. Aha. It wasn't on the right setting. I knew it. So now I'm going to go in and I'm just going to frame my face by hand with the curler. But oh my gosh, like seriously, that was about, well, it says 11 minutes on here because I've been talking. But you guys, am I right? Isn't this crazy? So now what I like to do is I'm gonna, like, I like to whip it upside down. Sounds funny. All right. So I'm kind of gonna go like this all around, kind of like whip it around. Okay. All right. And then if I want to, I will volumize my roots a little bit. I have like a texturizing powder. It's the same brand as this. It's a Walmart brand, you guys. It's so cheap. It's like $5. It's called Heritage. Decent, vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, gluten-free. Good, because I eat so much hairspray. I'm glad it's gluten-free. Like, what the heck, man? Sometimes the marketing that I see is just hilarious. So there you have it. Now, I know it's a little wild right now. Like, it looks kind of like, whoa, lady, tame the mane. It's going to tone down in a little bit of time. I don't brush my curls. I don't do anything with it. It's naturally gonna relax a little bit within an hour or two, and that's it. So all I did was I put my hair up on top in a pony, curled the sections out, and now I'm good to go. I gotta get these white strips off. I think I've had them on for over half an hour. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I was really excited to make these because I haven't been able to. And I know that a lot of you always ask, like, how do you do your hair? How do you do your makeup? Now you know. You know all of the very incorrect, wrong ways that I apply my makeup in the morning and how I do my hair. And so that's it. So thank you so much for hanging out. I am so excited to be able to continue to provide more lifestyle and business tips and just talk with you like real talk on this channel. My other channel is going to be reserved specifically for the tutorials. So if you've been on my personal channel here and you're like, I'm confused, what is the content? I'm sorry. That was totally on me. I was kind of like feeling out the direction, and I will keep all of my tutorials on the other channel. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to that one because those are more like business tutorials. And this channel right here is going to be videos just like this, talking about life, mindset, relationships, like anything, any topics that you have. I always love hearing from you. So if you want, the best place to get in touch with me or let me know about like a specific video topic or request would be to pop on over to my Instagram at @XOSarahMichaels. I'll pop the links down below. Leave me a DM, leave me a comment. And I always love hearing from you. So if you find me on Instagram and you're a YouTuber, just be like, hey, I'm coming over here from YouTube. So that's always fun to see my YouTube family because you guys are my favorites. Okay. All right. Well, I hope you have an absolutely fantastic time. If you're watching this real time and you are in the middle of the safer at home, I really, really, really just pray and hope that you're staying safe, that you're finding ways to enjoy this and with the least amount of stress. Like, take the pressure off. Do things that are fun, right? You can still go outside if you have a yard. Maybe it's like find a new thing, like find a new way to do your makeup or have a spa day. Or if you're getting stressed out, just be like, you know what? I'm not cooking today. Peanut butter and jelly for all, or ramen noodles or whatever, or ice cream for breakfast, or just like make some really, really awesome memories and have fun. and try to anyways, really try to. And you know what? If you need to take a break, just take a break. Maybe you just need to have a day or an afternoon and you're going to binge watch Netflix and sit in your PJs and not do anything. And that's okay too. You don't feel like you have to start a business or you have to do this. No, you don't. It's 100% okay not to be 100% okay right now. So thanks for tuning in. I love hearing from y'all. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and be sure to click subscribe if you want to connect and watch more videos just like this. So see you later.